How do you say family in Irish? If you are curious about how to say family in Irish, you are in for a treat. Understanding basic Irish phrases can really enhance your travel experience in Ireland. When you meet locals, knowing a few words can make conversations more enjoyable. Irish, there are two main words for family, and each serves a different purpose. The first word is Teaghlach, which is pronounced approximately as Teaghlach. This term refers to the family unit or household as a whole. It includes parents, children, and anyone else living together. For instance, if you want to say a loving family, you would say Teaghlach Gramhar. This phrase can be very useful when discussing family life in Ireland, as family is a central part of Irish culture. The second word is Clann, pronounced approximately as Clann. This term specifically refers to one's children or descendants. It emphasizes the younger members of the family. For example, if you want to say she has a big family, you would say Tá Clann Mhór Ace. This phrase highlights the number of children in a family, which is often a topic of conversation among locals. Both Teaghlach and Clann are commonly used throughout Ireland, and knowing these words can help you connect with people and understand their culture better. When you are traveling, using these terms can be a friendly way to engage in discussions about family life, an important aspect of Irish society. If you want to practice saying these words, there are many online resources and videos available that teach pronunciation. Hearing the words spoken can help you feel more confident when using them in conversations. So, remember to use Teaghlach when you want to refer to the family unit or household, and Clann when you are talking about children or descendants. These phrases will enrich your experience of the Irish language and culture while you travel in Ireland.